Today I will show you how you can use AI to easily make children's story videos, and with that make your YouTube channel and earn money, as these videos get millions of views on YouTube. So, before moving forward, let's take a look at what we will be creating in this video.
Once upon a time, in a cozy village, there lived a group of animal friends who were known for their incredible teamwork. Among them were Sammy the squirrel, Benny the bunny, and Larry the lion. They were the best of friends and spent most of their time playing and helping each other.
We will divide this video into 5 steps. In the first step we will generate the story for our video. In the second step, we will create the voiceover. In the third step, we will generate the visuals for our story. In the fourth step, we will convert the images to 3D videos. And in the fifth step, we will combine all the above to compile our final video. Step number 1. To generate the story, open ChatGPT and log into your account, or if you don't have an account, then sign up and create your account. It's very easy. Now, to generate a story, let us input. Write a short moral story for kids in 300 words. ChatGPT will create a wonderful kid story for you. Now, let's also create the prompts to get the visuals for the story. Let's input. Write the prompts to generate the images for the story. This will give us all the prompts needed to generate the visuals of our story. Now, to generate a title for our story, let's input. Write the title of the story. And ChatGPT will generate a wonderful title. In step number 2, we will create a voiceover for our story. For this a lot of AI tools are available, but I will use 11 Labs, as it's free and you get different types of voices. But first, you have to create your account and login. Then, you need to copy the story from ChatGPT and paste it here. Now, choose the voice you like. Let's choose Ellie. Then, in voice settings you may fine-tune it as per your liking. Then click Generate. The voice will generate and start playing.
Once upon a time in a cozy village, there lived a group of animal friends who were known for their incredible...
Let's change the voice to Bella, and see what we get.
Once upon a time in a cozy village, there lived a group of animal friends who were known for their incredible teamwork.
Yes, this will do. Now click the download button and save this voice. Step number 2 is also complete. Now let's proceed to step number 3. Here we will generate the images for our story. For this I will use Blue Willow as it's free. You simply need to join the free beta and access it from your Discord account. If you don't know how to use Blue Willow, do write in a comment or check out my other video. So, let's generate the images. We already have the prompts, so we will copy them one at a time and generate our images. For example, copy the first prompt from ChatGPT, and in Blue Willow, write /imagine, then paste the prompt. For the aspect ratio of the image, add 2-, then AR, followed by 3:2. Then press Enter key, and within a minute the image will be generated. Similarly, generate the next image, but here I will add Disney style. This way, generate all the images from the prompts one by one. You may experiment with the various styles to get your desired result, like cartoon style, Disney style, realistic, etc. However, as I was generating the images, I got a message. You have reached your daily prompt quota, so without any ado, I generated the rest of the images from Leonardo AI. In Blue Willow there is a limitation of 10 prompts per day, so if you want to create all your images in Blue Willow, you will have to wait for the next day. Step number 4. Converting our images to 3D video. Here we will convert our flat-looking images to 3D video. For this we will go to the website liapix.com and sign up. Then upload the image. Uploading may take a while, but once the image is converted, it will look like this. Do comment and tell me what you think about the 3D image. To download the video we have to click on Share, and then click on MP4 to download it. We have to repeat this process for all our images. Step number 5. Compiling audio and video. We can use any AI website, for video editing. But, here I am going to use Clipchamp from Microsoft. It's very simple, you just need to log in and import all the videos, and the voiceovers you had downloaded from 11 Labs. I am not going into the details, as it will make the video too long. If you need a tutorial on this, comment below, and I will make a detailed tutorial for you. Then, you need to align the videos and the voiceovers according to the story. Just make sure the voiceover matches the video clips. And to make your video more engaging, you can add subtitles from here, click on Caption, and then click Auto Caption. Video effects from here. And background music from here. And your AI-generated, kids story video is ready. If you found this video informative, then like and comment. And please subscribe for more such AI tutorials. Thank you very much for watching.